Welcome to Trello for CropOut members. Each CropOut member gets their own Trello board, and each board is made up of lists and cards set up by your designated project manager to enable you to make unlimited design requests and revisions. It also allows you to get a bird's-eye view of your design workflow with CropOut. There are 4 main lists. There's a list for your design requests, another for designs in progress, one for designs in review, and another for assignments completed. There's also a list for guidelines to follow that will help you when submitting your requests. Let's get started with making a design request. You simply add a card and name it. You can add as many requests as you like, but more importantly, the requests must be ordered in the sequence you would like them to be completed in. We will work on them from the top down, so simply drag the cards up and down based on the assignment's priority. Proceed to click into the card. Here you can type in the design works that needs to be done in the description box. You need to be as specific as possible over here so that our designers know exactly what you are looking for. If you are unsure of the types of details to include, head over to our Design Guidelines list, which has sample requests and will help you in listing down the criteria to include. For example, if you click the Social Media Design Guideline, you will find all the details that you can include in your request. Copy and paste the guidelines into your design request card and you are good to go. Next, the most important feature, adding attachments. You can add your brand assets, your logo, as well as any references or inspirations you may have drawn from somewhere else, as well as sample designs. This will ensure our team knows exactly which direction you want us to take. You can also add pictures that you want us to include in the design. Please remember to label the attachments appropriately and leave notes in the comments section on what the attachments are to be used for. Once the card has been added to the requests list, the designated project manager from CropOut will go through the requests and assess if the information is sufficient for us to move forward. If not, our project manager will clarify the missing things needed through the comments section, and you will see a red label on your card signifying details missing. Once everything is in order, the project manager will shift the card over to the In Progress list and assign a due date and time for the design team, so you will know when to expect the completed works. Once completed, the card will be moved over to the In Review list, where you can scroll down and see the completed works. If you are happy with the works, simply download the source files provided by our designer and shift the card into the completed list. However, if there are amendments you would like to be made, it can be the color, font type used, pictures and text alignment, etc. Type it in the comments section of what you would like to be changed. Close the card and shift it over back to the request list. And that is how you make a revision request. Again, as with a new design request, the project manager will review the card and see if enough information has been provided for us to move forward with the revision. That is how you make design requests using Trello with CropOut. Lastly, you can set email notifications or desktop notifications by clicking on the bell at the top right corner. Set how frequent you want it to be so that you are alerted whenever our designer has any queries or submits the completed works. We have just demonstrated the whole workflow, and that is how you can easily crop us into your design ecosystem. We look forward to serving you.